that when you are using ID, you won't use dot. You will use what? Hash. Okay. By the time we save this now and we come back, it has become green. Okay. So when you are using class, you use dot, and when you are using ID, you use hash. Okay. So let's do another thing. Okay. Let's say I am a girl now. Now you know we are using boy here. Okay. We are using boy. So now let's give it a span. Okay. Let's give it a span tag, and let's say span. Okay. Then we close the span after the girl. Okay. Good. We now come here and we now say span class equals to, what can we give this span of this class name? You know, you can name classes anything you want, okay, but just make sure it relates to what you are doing, so that by the time you visit your code and the next time you'll be able to understand why you are using this class and what that class is working for. Okay, so let's say we want to span class. Let's say we want to use female as a span class. Okay, good. So by that we save it and we come back to our browser, it's still the same. I am a girl is still the same there. Okay, good. By that we now come to our styling. Inside our styling, I will now say dot female. You know, female is the class we are using. We will now say dot female. Then we will now open our curly brackets. Okay, I will now say color, or no, we will now say background color. Background color is black. Okay, then we say color is yellow, and we save it. By the time we come back here, can you see what we have? Girl is now having a color of yellow and a background of black. Because why? We first of all create a class for it here. We now use that class to design it here inside our internal styling. Are you getting it now? So whatever you want to style, you can give it a class name. Okay, and then you work on it. Okay, now the reason why